So I got a request to do this topic, U.S. customary length conversions involving dimensional analysis. So the best thing you can do is to try to understand where you're coming from, which is feet, and where you're going to, which is miles. So I need to divide by feet, but then include miles in the end. And then you just divide. I'm going to use my TI 84 calculator. So 2376 divided by 5280. And that gives me 0.45 of a mile. Then write your answer. Doesn't say to round or anything, so I'm just gonna give it a try. All right, trying another. We're going from inches to feet. It's always a good idea to look at the explanation. So to convert from 576 inches to feet, we want to multiply by something that will divide out the inches, which you can see right here, and then end up with feet. So it includes the feet. To me, that's the easiest way. So we want to divide out inches. All right, remember we want to divide those out, and we end up with feet here. So 576 divided by 12 is 48 feet. Let's try one more. So this time we are going from miles to yards. So what has miles in the denominator? This one does, and this one does, but only this one ends in yards. So that's the one we're gonna choose. And then, so 0.4 multiplied by 1760 is 704. Alrighty, so I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. See you next time.